It is Lunarly delivery day. And I splurged. Early Christmas present for myself. Lunarly delivers each month before the new moon. And it's got everything you need to set your intentions for the new moon. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I love the box. It's so pretty. I want to keep it. This is pretty. Oh, it's a plant baby. I hope and pray I can keep this darling alive. Oh, I do not have a green thumb, but maybe this will inspire me to cultivate one. Oh, it's some kind of little fern. So this is my plant baby. I thought at first it was root bound, but it's got some pretty little moss there. And I always wondered what kind of pot, if it would come in a temporary pot or a good one. And it's a nice ceramic pot. And it's not in too bad a shape since being mailed. It's got some kind of little bud or new sprout or something there. Look how cute. It's darling. Oh, I hope I can keep this alive. I got my plant baby on my altar for now. Soaking up the good vibes after its hard trip home. Wonder what I should name it now that I'm a new plant mama. So your first order of Lunarly comes with a cute little journal and the care sheet, or no, this is actually how to set your intentions for the new moon. Because like I say, it's sent every new moon. There should be a care sheet. It's probably in that box. But you get your little stake to put in your plant, and your plant will help you set your attention out into the universe. You get some cute little stickers for your journal. Now, I was hoping when I ordered Lunarly that you would get a different journal each month, because this is a small journal and I could probably fill up one monthly intention cycle with just this one little journal, but you only get the journal the first time you order. Your other monthly orders don't come with the journal, which makes me sad because I love a lot of various journals, but it's super cute and I'm glad to have my little journal, even if it is the only one they're gonna send me. So let's see, let's open the box. You get your money's worth. I can't remember exactly how much it is for Lunarly, but it's worth it. The plant came in good shape. Oh, maybe this is my care sheet. Oh, this tells about December's cold moon. Sensitivity is not weakness. That is right. My ferrets discovered the box down there. Alright. The moon is perfect for nurturing the warmth inside. Awesome. Alright, what else we got? Care sheet? Finally? No? Maybe? Alright. Haha. Oh. Did I get mala beads to restore? I got sodalite to keep. Wow. You definitely get your money's worth. Okay, let's see. Gold dust mask. Oh, I got a face mask to leave me with a goddess glow. All right, I'm excited. Hallelujah! Yes, lava beads. I put essential oils on. I love lava beads. Okay. Oh, I see a cute little panda. What are you doing? Oh. Alright, I got, ooh, a velvet drawstring bag. I gotta get a tripod for making videos so I don't have to do everything one-handed. Whee! Alright, that must be my sodalite. It's beautiful. It's chalky. Nice. So pretty. Alright, I like the drawstring bag. That's the extra touch there. And this is my glowing skin gold dust hydrogel mask. I'll have to make sure my kid does not snatch this from me. All right, so that is my, oh, there's something else. Oh, it's a little base for my plant. Okay, Lunarly is definitely worth the money. I am happy with everything I got. This might be the only time. I think I just ordered it once, since you don't get a different journal every time, just to kind of spoil myself for Christmas, and I'm glad I did. I may order kind of sparingly, maybe again in March for my birthday or something. Let's just see what different plants they send, because I don't know if I can keep my little plant alive. So we'll see how that goes. And then I may order more, but I definitely recommend for the money. So, okay, bye. Love you. Happy new moon. I'm back. I found my care sheet on the back of the moon page telling what all came in it. And so it is a Boston fern. That's what I thought it was. It looks fairly easy to take care of. I just get to mist it. Don't let it dry out. It likes 60 to 75 degrees. So that should be good. And it is non-toxic to humans and ferrets. So that's good. I'm glad I finally found my care sheet, because I will need it. Peace out.